Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and I'll show you how to customize AOD option on this device. So let's just open the settings first and then scroll to display and brightness. Scroll down to always on display section, and to customize AOD option we could just use the switchers, for example to show wallpaper or to turn off the wallpaper option and just to show the new notifications from any apps. So let's just turn off this options and we could see that we got here only the clock with the date. Also we could just turn them off and you'll see the wallpaper here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.